Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to plot X versus Y in Excel, step by step. First, select your data table by clicking and dragging across both columns, including the header row. Next, click the Insert Scatter, X, Y, or Bubble Chart button on the ribbon to open the Chart Type menu. Click the Scatter Chart icon to open the Insert Chart dialog, which shows you a range of scatter plot styles to choose from. I am selecting the second scatter plot preview, which displays your data points as dots without connecting lines. Click OK to insert the chart, and it appears on your worksheet with your X values plotted against your Y values. To format your chart, click on any element. For example, clicking the grid lines opens the Format Major Grid Lines pane on the right. The Chart Elements button gives you quick access to toggle chart features like axis labels, legends, and data labels on or off. You can customize colors, line styles, and effects through the formatting pane for each element. Click the plot area to select the main charting region where your data points sit. The Format Plot Area pane opens, where you can adjust the background fill, border, and other plot area properties. If your chart looks cluttered, click the Chart Elements button and untick grid lines to simplify the view. You can add a chart title by clicking the title placeholder at the top of the chart and typing your own text. To change which data appears on the X and Y axes, right-click the chart and choose Select Data, then edit the series to swap or update the source columns. If your data points overlap, try a different scatter plot style from the Insert Chart dialog. The version with smooth lines can make trends easier to spot. And that's how to plot X versus Y in Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.